their faces. Let's make funny sounds. How about this one? And here's one of my favorite sounds. That's the sound Billy makes. He's coming up next at his well, Gullah Gullah Island, right here on next Julia.